All right. Okay. Let's hear it.
We're only an hour in. And if you go that way, apparently we're in the mountains. And it's just, you can't get through it. It is ridiculous. We almost died. And there's no trout. Haven't seen a trout since I've been in the mountains at all. So, looks like we got a hell of a hike ahead of us today.
It's slippery as hell down there, man.
Can't do it, dude.
We tried.
It's the prettiest shit I've ever seen. But
we came up to the junction where these two meet.
I don't want to risk my life to not catch fish.
So we're gonna
Boogie Nights, man.
go up this little guy and try to find the trail.
We're gonna go get some hot lunch made, pack up, and then we got a painful decision to make.
Again.
It is what it is.
Live and you learn, bro. We're gonna get the fish water though. That's our plan here.
Well, I met the President of the United States again. That's what's going on here. Yeah, our main goal is to catch fish, and it ain't happening here. If it was, we'd risk our lives, dude, but there's not fish here, man. You wouldn't catch anything, Keith. So